Today I'm going to show you guys how to find your downloads in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So this is going to be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Microsoft Edge browser. And it should be this E icon down here with this color. If there's a turquoise E, that means it's the Internet Explorer browser, which is not what we're doing in this tutorial. So I'm going to put that out there. So we're going to select Microsoft Edge to open it up. Always feel free to go through the start menu and search it up as well. So now up at the top there should be 3 lines. Should be about the middle icon up here. And if you hover over it, it should say Hub, and then in parentheses, Favorites, Reading List, History, and Downloads. You want to left click on that. So the one with the arrow pointing down with the line underneath is the Downloads icon. And there's other icons you might get landed on here. You want to go underneath the one with the arrow pointing down, and you want to select this Open Folder button right here. And then you can see the path right up here. It says this PC and then downloads. So it goes right into our downloads folder. And if you have quick access on the left side here, if you click on downloads, it should also bring up the same area. So pretty straightforward, guys. So I do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.